Hi guys! It's February 28, 10 p.m. Hi! Nagbubook kami. Nagbubuk kami for the Siki Horror Flight. At ako yung nagbook sa kanila. Kahit ako yung naka-voucher. Kasi baka tumakas yung 10K. Grabe, as in 3 oras kami naghahanap ng ng flight na fit para sa kanila. Dahil dalawang beses lang daw mag-leave sa isang buwan. So, ito na po. Nationality mo. Albania ka na. Barbuda.
So, does going to Sikihor a good idea? Well, maybe. Alam mo, sa gulo ng Maynila, the island teaches you that slowing down isn't falling behind. At sa ganda at lino ng mga karagatan nito, paraan ito para maginhawaan ng kalooban at ang iyong pag-iisip. Because you realize, peace isn't something you find. It's something you finally make room for.
All of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be. La Isla Bonita, tropical the island breeze. All of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be. La Isla Bonita, La Isla Bonita.
Maraming tinatagong ganda ang Sikihor. Every road quietly reminds you that not knowing exactly where you are headed isn't always a bad thing. Maraming beses kaming naligaw, pero sa huli, doon pala namin matatagpuan ang mga makapigil hiningang mga tanawin. Minsan, ang pinakamagandang destinasyon ay hindi nakalagay sa mapa. Natatagpuan lang ito ng mga taong handa ding maligaw. You know, traveling is also a good idea. Why? Because you meet people and you make new friends.
OG with the Aldrin's Falcom. Really? Yes. With
Kasi may cliff din doon na hindi kailangan mo. It's the same cliff other side. 21, 22 Ay, grabe naman. Kanina 21, binalik ko na.
You come from different corners of the world only to realize na pare-pareho lang pala kayo naghahanap ng mga sandaling nagbibigay kulay sa mundong tinatayuan natin. We're all just chasing the same thing. And that is moments that makes us feel alive. Because sometimes, changing your location also changes your perspective. You can't grow by staying in one place. So explore, learn new things, step outside of your comfort zone. You never know, you might just discover the best version of yourself.
Pag-ibig mong kay tamis.
So again, is Sikihor a good idea? Well, some answers aren't meant to be explained. They're meant to be experienced. XOXO, kids.